Hey guys, today we're going to review the new stabilizer from Chinese company Feiyu Tech, which called G6 Max. That's model for DSLR camera, so basically for any sort of camera up to 1 kilogram. Also, you can use it for pocket camera, action camera, and your smartphone. So let's check it out. First of all, let's check what's here, what Feiyu company offered to us. Here you have their Facebook and YouTube, Bluetooth, yeah, some other things produced in China. 3-axis handheld gimbal for camera. So basically this gimbal mainly focused on camera, but they indicate here pocket camera, action camera, and smartphone. So let's open it and see what's inside the box. I bought it for around 130 bucks, but actual price is around 200, so it depends where you can get it. With some discounts, you can get it for $140. Yeah, so let's see. Open it, and the box looks quite modern, and let's see what's inside. Okay, we have this case. I think quite reliable. What else? Oh, looks nice. Some envelope here. Hello. You have Visit Us, some social networks, Chinese one mainly. We have guide how to use it, how to install it on English and Chinese. So here what we can see, yeah, just setup of cameras that can be used with it. Sony A7 or Alpha 7, Canon M50. I have Canon 250D, so let's check with this one. I think should work fine. For smartphone, for action cameras, GoPro, Sony HDR, I think X3000 and S300 will be supported. Okay, nothing more. They don't put okay, the weight, maximum weight is 1.2 kilogram. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Again, social networks, again, social networks, and then one more guide, so it's a bit bigger, Chinese and English, of course. And what's here? Okay, specification, let's check them out. A 9-hour battery life, also, what else, 665 gram, the weight of it, maximum payload 1.2 kilogram, and comparable devices. So basically nothing special here indicated, but envelope looks nice. Okay, let's move on. Let's move all these papers out and open it. Okay, the box looks quite reliable and good. I think you can throw it away even from window and it will be fine with it, but anyway, yeah, let's open, let's see. So we have this tripod here. The plastic is average. I don't think it's really very high quality, but it's not bad. I think should be reliable for my camera. Okay, let's put it here. Also, you have Feiyu Tech here. So let's close it for now. We have here a pot to install your camera, smartphone, or any other device. Looks like this, from metal, also good. The cable, Type-C cable, yeah, looks cheap, without any brand, but still, they put it in a box. So that's how it is. Okay, gimbal we skip for now, and then we have this small box. What's inside? So you have this GoPro mount. What else? We have, oh, this is quite good quality actually. It's metal smartphone handler. So I have Xiaomi. Okay, I have 6.7 inch. It fits perfectly and still some gap in it. Okay, I don't know whether it will scratch my cover, but yeah, it's made from metal, good quality. Okay, this also for GoPro mount or Sony. And cables. Oh, so many cables here inside. We have 5 cables. Okay, so you have no, it's even smaller than 3.5 to Type-C. You have Type-C to micro USB. We have Type-C to 3.5. We have Type-C to Type-C. We have Type-C to micro USB. But what's the difference between those two? Let me find again. We had here. Okay, so this one is bigger. Yeah, you see. It's also it's also micro USB, I think, or no, it's called multi here. So it's a bit different. But anyway, yeah, we have 5 cables, nothing more in the box, I think. Yeah, and we have gimbal itself. So it's quite heavy, 600 gram. You have it's made from pure metal. Actually, the quality is quite well. Have the tripod mount here, so you can install the tripod like this. Let's do it. Okay, so you have turn on button, video photo button. You have this USB. Let's see, yeah, it's Type-C. Have this fix of the gimbal. You have the wheel. It's quite smoothly going, and I think it's button. Recording button, some other button. We will see what is it for, and again some wheel. Okay, joystick, yeah, to move the gimbal, and some small screen. All right, so we have lock and unlock here. So let's check it out. Okay, that's how it works. So I locked it now, then I unlocked. Also, you have similar here. Let's unlock it. Okay, unlock the Z axis. You have centimeters even here. You see, quite good design. Also, I don't know what this for. Okay, it's also some sort of locker, as I understood. Maybe for this one? No. Okay, let's see. Also need to unlock Z axis. Okay, no. Okay, maybe here. Okay, so many locks here actually. All right. So I found how to unlock it. Okay, done. So all the 3 axes are unlocked. Let's turn it on. Maybe need to put the camera first. So here it is, how we can put it. Okay, so first you put it here to your camera, DSLR camera. I hope it's right, but we'll see. Maybe in the middle somewhere. All right. I think it's done, more or less. Let's try. Then you connect it here inside pot. It's quite difficult for the first time. Okay, so how to fix it then? Okay, this one is fixing, yeah. So now it's fixed. Seems like this. Okay, I'm a bit scared to handle it for the first time. So let's make it tight everywhere. And lock it somewhere. Okay, it's not moving around. Okay, seems fine. Let's try to enable it. I hope it's charged. Yeah, I saw something on the screen. Okay, holding it. Yeah, okay, the battery is charging. Okay, we have some movement of camera, which is not correct. Okay, let's disable it for now. Okay, let me try to put this pod correctly. Let me see the instructions firstly. Okay, so what we have here: joystick, indicators, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, battery, camera modes. So you have some instruction, quick release plate, smartphone installation. Okay, they show how to install the camera. Basically, I did the same as based on the instruction. Okay, so let me reinstall it and move back to you. Okay, I'm finally back. It took me around 30 minutes to set it up, to balance the gimbal. So I found the video you have here. You can like put it on YouTube, the name. I don't know whether it's focused right now. Okay, that one, Feiyu G6 Max tutorial, how to install. So in this video, you'll find how to set up your gimbal. So it took me a while, but now it's fixed. Actually, at the end, you should get something like this. So your camera should be stable, as you see here. So if you put it in this position, it always move back to other position. So you have it from 3 sides. One here, 1, 2, 3, and 3 sides. You should balance your gimbal. Actually, it's quite easy, but still takes some time for the first time. So you need to unblock those 3, and then using tutorial you can set it up, and at the end you will get something like this. My camera is around 750 gram with this kit lens, and you see it works fine. It's balancing. I didn't turn it on. Okay, also wanted to show you about the app. So you have this app called Feiyu On. Have some advertisement here. Turn on Bluetooth, and let's turn on our gimbal. Actually, we have here, so I just press it. So you have some sound here. As you see, you have screen. Now it's enabled Bluetooth. I already connected before, so I will just show you how it looks like. It actually connects almost automatically when it finds the device. Then you have Bluetooth sign here. Also, you can connect it by Wi-Fi to your camera. I will also show it later. So now you can control your gimbal. Maybe like this is better. Using your phone. Then you can put it to position back. You can choose some modes, operating mode. You have pan follow, you have pan and tiled follow, you have all follow, and locked. Also, you can control, as I showed you before, you can put it back on a position, you can change the angle here, and you have additional settings. You have, first of all, firmware upgrade, so that's a gimbal version, the latest one. Also, you have keyboard upgrade. So here you need to choose your camera provider. So I have Canon camera 250D. That's why I choose here Canon camera. I will show you later how to connect it. Then you have joystick settings. Also speed and reverse control. You have motor strength. This one I suggest to click adopt the first time. So I don't know whether you hear noise after this. So it gives you setup adaptation. Now it's stable again, and it will automatically set how the motors, how the engines of this should be used. What else you have seen here? I didn't touch it. Horizontal calibration, so it's actually this angle. You have time-lapse mode, so it will move automatically within the time period that you set here in settings. You have trigger key settings, so you have this key here, as you see, so you can set up what you want on it. Also, you have mode key here, also you can set it up. So let's see here which you have. This one is a mode key, you see. Okay, I don't see it. Okay, now you see it's moving up and down, and if you click on it, you can change control. You see it moving left and right, and then it move like title control. Yeah. So what else? You have this joystick here that you can use to move around. Also, you have battery here. You have Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi will be used to connect to your camera. You can also use the wires. Here you have Type-C. I know you see it here. Yeah, Type-C for camera. So you connect it to your camera directly, and you can control it using this control panel. Also, you have a second connector here. You can connect it on a microphone or some other camera. Also quite convenient. This wheel I showed you before. You can also change it to zoom or other options. It's available. Then you can change the mode, so locked mode or control mode. You have also a camera indicator here. Is this connected or no? So camera can be connected by wire and Wi-Fi, as I mentioned. Here you have video photo button to change, disable button. It's actually menu. If you click on it, you see you have some small menu even on the screen, so you can have some settings. Okay, so as you see, just clicked and camera is in this mode. Let's click 2 times, it will be back to normal. Okay, now it's back to normal, I think. All right, what else? Type-C here. It's closed, but yeah, it's available. Here is lockers. You can unlock each engine here, 3 axes. Each axis can be locked and unlocked using this one. And I think that's it from basic setup. Let's move back to our app and connect our camera. So I have Canon camera here. All right, let me turn it on. Okay, you see a screen here that I'm recording. And then you can choose the settings here. Yes, and what else? What else available here? You have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So here already connected my camera. You basically use connect to the smartphone and then choose M2 and then waiting for connection. So you click here Canon. Okay, it's already connected. Enter. So you see my Canon camera here, but for the first time you should choose your camera from the list. I have 250D, but I use 200D. It's still working fine. And then yeah, so it should be connected. Let's enter M2, enter. Let's try it again just for you. 200D. Wi-Fi here, so you enter a password, still the same. Click OK. So now you're connected. It's waiting for connection. Okay, it's done, connected. And as you see in the screen here, Wi-Fi is not crossed anymore and camera control not crossed anymore. So let's see which functions we have. Let's try to click record button here from left. Okay, wait, it's in the, okay. Okay, so video mode, you can see it here. Now you have photo mode, video mode, so it's working. Let's record something, click here. You see it's recording, click one more time. Okay, stop recording. So basically it works fine. Also you have some additional settings here of your camera. Not that one. You have motor settings, you have cam setup. So just click on it and then you have ISO level, you have contrast and some more other settings which are less important, but still you can use them. It's also quite convenient. So this wheel you use to go right and down. Basically how it works. Maybe it's good to test it first, but as you see now with this camera it works fine. So it can handle up to 2.5 kilograms. So as you see, stabilization is working. I think that's it what I wanted to show, except the latest tests that to go outside and test it out, how it's stabilizing the image. Basically from the review and unboxing itself, it's done. So let's test it out outside. Test of Gimble G6 Max. I'm moving my hands quite fast, but let's see how it's going to be. And now without stabilization, only the lens stabilization on.